Hey online entrepreneurs, if you're looking to start your own sticker business, then we've got some great news for you. It's quick, easy, and costs as little as 2 cents. It's Grace here from Printbest, your print-on-demand partner, and today we're going to walk you through how to start your own sticker business. By the end of this video, you're going to know everything from finding your audience to promoting your stickers, so stick around, no pun intended. Before we get started, let us know what kind of products you're thinking of selling online and subscribe to the Printbest channel. We love hearing from you guys, and we're always making new videos to help entrepreneurs like you. So what ingredients do you need to get started on your recipe for sticker success? Not a whole lot. You probably already have these things at your fingertips already. First, you'll need your computer or smartphone with an internet connection. Next, you'll need some software for designing your stickers. There are free options online like Canva or Design Wizard. You'll also need either a camera or a phone to take some pictures. And for investment, you only need anywhere from 20 cents to $50, plus a bank account for all of those profits. For skills and experience, you can get by with basic design and photography skills. And if you're a pro, that's even better, but it's not mandatory. Now you're ready to get started. There are 5 steps. If you prefer to read the full instructions, then we've got those linked in the blog article in the description below. Step 1 is choosing your audience. You don't want to make a bunch of products only to discover that there's no demand. So you're going to find your target audience first. You can start by brainstorming things that you're interested in. So let's say you love sports cars. Your sticker business can target sports car lovers with designs made especially for them. Find out more about these people. How old are they? What design style resonates with them? Where do they hang out online and post pictures of their souped up rides? Since you're likely part of this community, it's easier for you to understand your potential customers. You can also do some research on sites like Etsy to find out if there's niches that don't have a lot of competition. Step 1 is important because you'll need to apply information about your audience for the rest of the process, especially in step 5. So keep watching to find out how this works. So step 2, now that you have a target audience, it's time to create some designs. There are lots of options here. You can hand draw your own custom stickers, use photography, or even partner with an artist to distribute their work. If you're using someone else's artwork though, make sure that you're not infringing on copyright laws. We have an article on this topic which is linked in the description below. So use what you know about your audience from step 1, but keep in mind that your designs don't have to be perfect the first time around. You can always improve them over time as you become more familiar with what your customers want. Step 3 is to create your online store. What you use to create your online store depends on whether you're making your own designs or not. If you're creating your own sticker designs, Etsy is your logical choice. It's super easy to get started and it's affordable too. Since it's a marketplace for creative work, the buyers on Etsy are looking for unique, original designs. With Etsy, you don't need to buy a domain. Your store is part of their marketplace, so your products will show up in their search engine. If you're not creating your own designs, then the simplest option is to go with an e-commerce platform like Shopify. It costs a bit more than Etsy, but you get a free trial and it makes it easy to set up your own store without building a website from scratch. But if you do want to go down that route, you have the option of building your website on WordPress. You'll also need a domain name, which you can purchase from a domain registrar like GoDaddy or Bluehost. So now that you have a store, it's time for step 4, which is adding products. It's possible to make your own stickers from scratch, but for the time and money you put into manufacturing, you're not going to be able to make a profit until hundreds of sales later. So instead, get your stickers created more affordably using print on demand. This is a business model where you can list products without any inventory, and your supplier prints for you only when you get an order. So it saves you time and money so that you can make a profit with every sticker that you sell. Now, how do you choose a good print-on-demand supplier? There are certain questions that you should ask when you're researching suppliers. How fast are orders fulfilled? What's the quality like? What materials are the stickers made of? Do they have good reviews? Are their prices affordable? Remember that you can work with more than one supplier, and it's always a good idea to send in a test order first. Once you've chosen your print-on-demand supplier, connect your store to their app or integration. So most suppliers have them for Etsy, Shopify, and WooCommerce. You can use these integrations to create custom stickers and list them in your store. Sometimes when you list them, your supplier will provide a default description of the product, but don't rely on that. You should always write your own description so that the product stands out and reflects your brand. Remember to use keywords that your audience might search for and use lots of clear, high-quality photos. And finally, step 5, which is promote your products. First, consider your budget. If you're just starting out, it's wise to allocate a small budget for your ads. You can start with $5 per ad or more if you have the budget, and then scale it up from there. This increases your reach so that you can show your post to more people. Second, consider your audience. On some platforms, you can narrow down the audience you want to show your ads to. So use this to your advantage to target the specific group of people that you chose in step 1. Another great way to target is to create content that appeals to that group of people. So for example, the Printbest YouTube channel targets entrepreneurs and artists who want to sell customized products online. We target this audience by creating helpful videos that provide information for creating an online business. So if you find this video helpful, then why not like and subscribe to our channel? That way you don't miss out on videos that could help your business. Now back to promoting your products. The third thing to consider is your message. Instead of just talking about how great your stickers are, focus on what they can do for your customers. For example, instead of saying, get your sassy, humorous cat-themed stickers, you could say, express your love for cats with humor and sass using our new stickers. Don't forget to use the tone of voice that best suits your target audience based on the research that you did in step 1. And fourth, consider your presentation. Use images that appeal to your audience and do some research on what hashtags you should use. And don't just rely on social media. Talk to your family and friends in person to help spread the word. Those were 5 steps to starting your own sticker business online. It's a great opportunity that you can take advantage of without a large budget. If you're looking to branch out and sell other types of products, be sure to check out the Printbest catalog, which is linked in the description below. Good luck, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.